Hi students, welcome to our Vita classes. Students, last class we have discussed the cells, okay? And different types of cells also I discussed with you. So there are different types of cells, round, flat and long, thin. So now students, we are going to discuss more about the cells, okay? So look at very carefully here students. Cells of the same type of that do the same job are grouped together to form a tissue. Okay, so that means students, tissue, how tissue form? It is the composed of cell. Okay, when many cells they will compose, it makes the tissue. Okay, so cells is the a group of cell is called tissue. Okay, a group of cell is called tissue. A group of cell is called tissue. Tissue. Understood students? So a group of cell is called tissue. It is very important students. For that is muscle cells contract and relax to cause movement. Okay. So when you are walking, running, or when you might have seen different types of bodybuilders, okay, in televisions or real life also. So or in your upper arm, just you touch and feel. When you will slag your body, then you get this is the contraction and muscles. Okay, contraction and relaxation of muscles. Okay, these are grouped together to form tissue called muscle. Understood students? So this is my hand. Upper your arm or leg, your leg side, you just to look at your leg. There is some muscles are there. Muscles are there. You can feel that muscle is called this a group of together form tissue called muscle. Okay. So when the group of together tissue form muscles, understood? So we can write group of tissue is called muscle. Group GROUP, group of muscle, group of tissue TISSUE, tissue is formed muscle, MUSCLE. Understood students? So first we said a group of cell is form tissue, then a group of tissue form muscles. Okay, muscles are there in your body, where upper side of your arm and the leg muscles. So these are called muscles, through which you can run, you can walk. While walking and running, your muscles are contract and relax. Okay. So then we will come to blood. So blood is a liquid tissue student. You know blood is a liquid type, but it is called a liquid tissue. Nerve tissue. Then nerve tissue carries the nerve signal. Okay. If some mosquito will bite to you or someone will be beat you, suddenly you will give response. Yes, you see one is mosquito is eating. Just I will pinch like this. Then I will get to know someone is pinching, yes or no. If it is your hand, if I am pinching like this, then you will come to know your hand is pinching, or someone a mosquito are coming and biting. So how do you know that feeling? So because of inside the skin, the nerve are there, nerve tissue are there, which gives signal to our brain. Okay, and brain suddenly ask to you, you just go and beat that mosquito. Okay, so if someone will give you pinch, someone will give you hurting you, so suddenly you come to know in your body something is happening. So that signal is who is giving to brain, that is nerve tissue is giving the signal to that brain. Okay, so then we will come to student, bone is one of the strongest tissue in our body. So bone is the very strongest tissue. Okay, see, it is my hand. I before also I told you, if you will touch, if you will feel, then a hardest part you can feel. So that hardest part inside our skin is called, below the skin is called bones. Okay, this is the strongest tissue. So bone is the strongest tissue student, which is very important. I will write students, bone is one of the strongest tissue in our body. Okay, understood? Strongest tissue. The enamel that covers our earth. Okay, the enamel that covers our teeth is hardest tissue. Enamel, in upper part of your teeth there is a tissue is there, that is called enamel. Okay, so in this figure look at carefully students. It looks like, see a tissue how it looks like. It is a house, all houses are together, it looks like that one. That muscle tissue you can feel students. See muscle tissue students, you can see, and nerve tissue how it looks like, nerve tissue. Okay, that is enamel. This is the teeth, upper part of your teeth. So these are the different types of tissue which you can observe. Here you students, about 6 million of skin cell would fit into the above square. This square is blank square. Okay, if I want to fill up with the skin, okay, skin cell, this box student, I need 6 million cell, means 60 lakh. Okay, 60 lakh for this square we need 60 lakh skin cell we need to fill up this square. Understood students? So you just think how small our skins are. Okay, how much small, you cannot imagine also. Through microscope only we can see that our every cells. Understood? So different kinds of tissue join together to form the body organs. When the different types of kinds of tissue join together, they form the body organs. Different organs they will form. So what is the different organ? The different kinds of tissue join together form different kinds of tissue join together to form the body organ. Okay student, body organ. Okay, what is the organs are? For example, organs, what organs? For example, lungs, 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 liver, kidney, stomach, 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 heart, brain, brain. Okay, are etc. All organs are all organs. Understood students? So these are the lungs, liver, kidney, stomach, heart, brain, and all are organs. Our skin is the largest organ in our body. Our skin, you can see students, that skin is covered your whole body. So it is our largest organ in our body. Okay. Skin is it is very important students. Skin is the largest organ of our body. Understood students? So skin is the largest organ of our body. An organ is a part of that does specific thing. A specific organ will do specific work. Okay. How in your school a specific teacher will work, a specific teacher will teach a specific subject. Your English means your English teacher will teach English subject. Your Hindi teacher or Hindi means will teach Hindi subject. Your math ma'am or math teacher will teach math. Your Kannada or any other subject, they will every different types of subject they will teach the different teacher. Yes or no? So like this similar students, every organ, it may be lungs, liver, kidney, stomach, heart, brain, these are all different organs. So these all are different organs, they will do different work, means a specific work. Understood students? So skin is the largest organ in our body. It is very important students. Understood? So I will So now you see student, this is the kidney, and for that is heart pumps. What is the work for heart? Heart pumps blood, the kidney clean it. Okay, so this is the kidney figure and this is the brain figure, you can see students, and this is the heart, this is the liver, and this is the lungs. Okay, understood students? So heart work is, heart will pump the blood like this. Okay, and the kidneys work is clean the, it will clean our water what we will drink, and urine formation will do that kidney. Okay, a number of organs work as a team to perform a specific function. Okay, every function, how in your school you think every teacher they will work means they will teach different system, different subjects, for that your school is going on. So like this student, in our body also like this. Okay, in our body different organs, these are different organs, they will do different work in a team. For example, digesting food, for these organs together to form a system. Okay, these organs together form a system. Okay, your school we can say also is a system, because students, why every teachers and principals and peons, they will together they will run the school. Your teacher will teach you, peon will help you, and principal will guide you, the all teachers, and run the schools. So we can say this is also a system. So like this student, in our body some specific functions are there. So some of the a team of organs, they will work for this function. So this team is, we can say, systems, the organ system. Okay, together form a system. Understood? So our body has many different systems. Our body has many different systems. So I can write student here, kidney will clean it, kidney clean it. Okay, then heart pumps the blood, pumps the blood in whole body. Okay, so it is very important student, heart pumps the blood, kidney clean it. Okay, so this so that heart will kidney will clean the blood or form urine, form urine, urine. Okay, urine, urine. Understood students? So this is a very important thing. So our body has many different systems. Okay, see, the brain control all the organs and system of our body. Okay, how in your home parents or your dad is control in your home like this, your dad is head of your home. So like this, sometimes some of the houses or homes are there, your mom also head. So like this student, in our body, who is the head? Brain is the heart. How in your school, principal is your head. So like this, in our body, the principal is head and principal will control a school. So like this student, in our body, brain is the head and brain control the all organs and system of our body. So it is very important students. So understood students? So I hope all of you understood, and this is the activity we will do next class students. So it is very important, different types of how a tissue is formed, and together cells is formed a tissue, and blood is the liquid tissue, blood is the liquid tissue, and nerve tissue, then enamel tissue, that is bone tissue. Okay, and different organs are there in our body, that is kidney, brain, heart, liver, lungs. Okay, so a specific functions are there. There are a group of organs, they will work, that is called organ system. Okay students, so I hope all of you understood properly. Go through this video and watch properly, try to understand. It is little bit difficult, but try to understand, it is very easy. Okay, it is related to your body only. So I hope you are clear through this video. So thank you very much. Take care.